Hey everybody, it's me, Nurse Bunny. Well, I just want to start off by telling you that my mama, she is a very bad patient. I just want you to know. And I'm trying out her cough drops to make sure that they taste good. These kinds taste like licorice. They're pretty good. Not as good as the Ricola ones, but it'll do. I like the licorice flavor. It's got oh, yeah, no, I was just licking it to make sure it was good. I don't want to give her an inferior medication. Yeah, anyway. So, she's sick to go to the doctor. She says she's afraid they're just gonna, throw in the dumpster out back and throw away the key. So maybe tomorrow if she feels better, she'll go to the doctor. She's really bad. I got my hands full over here, people. I do. I swear.